Icera ria agendi atandatu acio hamwe na mutwarithia wa ndege rikinyite muthia mwena wa Sapashe kirima-ini kia Ololokwe Samburu ya irathiro maumite mwena wa Laikipia makierekera mwena wa Ewaso Nyiro. Ndege iyo itunganite na mutino na kugwatana nembe cia mwaki. Kamanda wa borithi kaunti-ini ya Samburu David Nkoroi niekirite uhoro uyu mukonde agendi aria makwite ari raia ana a Amerika, eri a Ecuador na mutwarithia wa ndege ari mu Kenya.
On reaching Ololokwe Hill, that is where the place of crash occurred, and on board there were 7 souls. Unfortunately, the team has established that all the 7 people who are on board on that aircraft have perished.
Kabla kufika hapo na hasa kufuata mabagi ya ndege, hiyo kitu yametambaa hapa yote, hata mabagi nini, kiti, hiyo mabati ya ndege nini, na hasa kufuata naendelea tu kufika hapa pale mwili iko nakuta moto ni kubwa sana. Watu hiyo ndege imeshumika mbaya sana, hata watu iko ndani na kosa kutoa, naona kuangalia tu watu kuumia.
Maafitha a ugiteri na aria kuheana motungata ma mbere matonganite na ihinda irito ria kweheria mĩĩrĩ iyo kumana na uritu wa muthiire gicigo-ini kiu.
We have managed also to recover some personal items, mobile phones and cameras, which will be given to the next of kin when they will be identified. Otherwise, right now the recovery and the evacuation is going on. The terrain is very rough. The aircraft which we have will not be able to carry the bodies and the officers who are there. So we are trying to do it fast so that we can be able to complete the exercise.
Ruhonge rwa gutafarira ukui wa riera-ini niruo KCAA rugite ni ruranyitanira na honge ingi cia uthuthuria niguo kumenya kiria gicungiriirie mutino uyu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo William Wainaina.